In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a dashboard, a graphical interface that organizes charts and assists users in making strategic decisions. To illustrate, we have developed a sales dashboard for an underwater diving equipment store. The charts display the best-selling products and categories throughout the year, monthly sales performance, and the top 4 store sellers. It is important to emphasize that, in order to successfully complete this tutorial, it is necessary that you have already watched the videos, Project and Form Creation, and DataSource. Start by generating the data that will be displayed in the charts. Create a form and record the desired data. Next, create a data source for each chart. It will serve as the data source to generate the information contained in the chart. Select the previously created form and check only the field that contains the data to be presented. Then, you need to count the number of records in that field to generate the information on the chart. To do this, choose Count under Operations. Select the highlighted field under Field and assign a name to this variable under Alias. Click Save and Close to complete this step. Finally, create a page and insert the chart component. In the field properties, click Edit Chart Properties. Select the created data source. Choose the variable that stores the record count for value and the only field checked in the data source for label. Click Add Property and then Save. Save the page. Enhance the component's presentation. Choose the desired chart type and select an appropriate color scheme. Repeat this process to create other charts. You can organize your dashboard by inserting charts of various types, colors, and sizes to create an attractive visual presentation. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Builder, check out our other tutorials on YouTube. You can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Check the links in the video description.